Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning to all of you. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, okay.
Ma'am, what we are doing today?
Maths. And I think it's a combined class for Armstrong and Newton.
Okay,
What?
ma'am, wait.
You have started with multiplication and division, fifth chapter.
Ma'am, we have done that. We are on Hina, what were we on? We are ahead of multiplication and division.
You are on end of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
multiplication.
Yes, ma'am. No, not in the end. We are in page number.
So it's fine.
Yes,
Like it would be like a revision
ma'am.
for you people. It's just a matter
Okay,
of
ma'am.
class, okay?
Yeah, okay.
It would be a revision for you people. Fine.
Yeah.
We are in this page.
What
Page
page?
Bilal, you're Khatija's brother or what?
Yes.
60.
Okay. Khatija Khan. Okay. Which page number?
68, ma'am. We are up till there.
You've done till 68?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Let others join in because there are many students today.
Ma'am, do we need to say our tables in multiplication and
What are you
division?
saying, Bilal? Can you be loud, beta?
Do we need to say our tables in multiplication and division?
Sorry?
Do we need to say our tables in multiplication and division, ma'am?
No, no, no. You must be knowing it, right? That must be done by
Yes.
Safiya, ma'am. She must have taken orals, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Ahmad. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You today you are on time. Good to see that, Ahmad.
There are very less people over here because they went to that camp
I know
in
it's
Navi
in
Mumbai.
combined class. We'll just wait for 2-3 minutes, then we will start. And even if it is done, I'm like, whatever I'm doing it, even if it is done by your, I'm like, in your
Ma'am,
maths
today
class, it
was
would be
I
like revision
test.
for you people.
I
Okay, it
test.
would be like a revision for you people. Ikra,
Okay, ma'am.
Bada, Bada join. Good morning. Good morning, Ubada. How are you? Good morning, Ikra. You're muted. Ubada, you're muted. Yeah, that's better. Okay. After last week we didn't have maths, right? You all, yes, you all were enjoying, na? At my session class time, right?
Yeah.
Then what did you have, Ubada, last week? I didn't
Ma'am,
take maths. I was not there. Then what did you do? Ahmad, Ubada from Armstrong. What did you do? Nothing. Oh, Muhammad Hamza. Okay. Sure. Hinda. Your name is Hinda, beta. Can you turn on your camera? Let me see you. Hinda Kasim. Unique name. Hinda. What's the meaning of your name, beta?
What, ma'am?
What's the meaning of your name? What does your name means? Okay. Good morning,
Ma'am,
Hamza.
And
Sorry,
the female
what do you say?
the female deer.
Okay. Hello, Musa. Okay. Chalo, should we start
And
now?
what is your name?
Okay, my name is Talat. Oh my God, where did I go? I
My
think
meaning?
many students are seeing, they're seeing me for the first time, right? And many of you have seen me.
No, ma'am. We have seen you.
You have seen me. I generally take maths for Armstrong, but today I'm taking for the both the class, Newton and Armstrong. Should we start? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when is some drawing?
Kubada, can you tell me till where did we stop last time? Ahmad, you both are from. We were on this, right? We were on this. Yes, we were on this. Remember? And we did this. We will have to do this part. Fine.
Ma'am, we have done this.
Yeah,
Yes.
whoever has done it, it would be like a revision for you. Okay? It would be like a revision for you. Good morning, Abdullah. How are you?
Yesterday we had done this.
Only yesterday you have done this.
Ma'am, after the end of the
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
How about
Ma'am,
this?
give homework also us. We have done the homework.
Okay, and what about this?
Okay, one. No.
Now, chalo,
No,
let's
ma'am.
start with this. Listen, my Armstrong class, what I'll do with you, this part I'll do with you later on in another class. Okay? Chalo.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, in the end of the class, then we do some drawing.
Can you be little loud? Whoever is speaking, please be loud so that I can hear you properly. I'm unable to hear you. Okay, should we start? How many different ways you can share out this bar chocolate fairly? Now, who would answer this? For example, two
Ma'am.
people,
Ma'am.
Bilal, it's Bilal, right? Yeah, Bilal, please have patience. I'm going to ask individual people. Okay. For example, two people can have 12 chunks each. Sorry. Yeah. How many are there? Let us first count. How many are there?
24.
Okay.
1, 2.
24.
Let me annotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 1, 2, not 4 columns. I'm so sorry. 4 chocolates. 4 chocolate chunks in each column. 3. So how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3,
4.
5, 6. And each column is having 4 chunks. So 6 fours is how much? Tell me.
24.
Yes. So how many chocolate chunks? How many chocolate?
24.
24.
24.
How many pieces of chocolate? 24. Now, if I have to divide this 12 pieces of chocolate amongst 3 people, what am I going to do? Yeah, what am I going to do?
3.
Tell me, what am I going to do?
3 people, ma'am.
Yeah, look now, the question is already given to us.
Ma'am. Okay. So how many?
3 people. How
Okay,
many
how
are
many
there?
columns there are?
Wait,
6.
look.
Ma'am.
How many? Wait, Bilal. How many pieces of chocolate are there in one chocolate bar? Tell me how many are there?
4.
Ma'am. 4.
24.
We need to
24.
divide this 24 chocolate pieces into 3 people. One first person, second person, and third person. We are going to divide it, right? We are doing what? We
Yes.
have to divide it. So what will I do? 24 divided by 3. You know division? You know
Yes,
division?
ma'am.
Yes.
So what does this mean? What does this mean? Tell me. What does this mean? When does, what is this? What is this called? Come on, what is this called? Dividend. Do you know this?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is this called? What is this called? Divisor. What is it?
Divide, yes.
Yes. Now, tell,
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, we will give 8 pieces of chocolate
Yes,
each.
yes. But how did you
Yes,
find out?
ma'am.
How did you get that? What you have done, you need to check in division, you need to check when does 24 comes in 3's table. When does 24 comes in 3's table?
3 eggs are 24.
Exactly. You know this normal method of division, or you want me to teach
Yes,
it?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, like that, ma'am, like that.
3 8s are 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, subtract this. So what is the answer? What is the answer?
0. 0.
Eight,
No, no,
8,
no.
ma'am. 8.
Your answer is this, the above the line.
8, ma'am. 8, ma'am. 8.
Okay.
Ma'am, in 3 people we have to write 8.
Now let's talk about 4 people. How about 4 people?
Okay.
Again, how many pieces are there? Tell me how many
24.
pieces of chocolate are there.
24.
But
24.
now I need to divide by what? By how many people?
4.
That
4.
4.
now what would be my divisor? What would be my divisor?
Ma'am, 4 6 are 24.
Yeah, very
Yes,
good. But
ma'am.
tell
4,
me
6
what
are
will be my
24.
divisor? You don't know what is divisor,
Four.
dividend. If you don't know, ask me,
4.
I'll teach you.
Ma'am, 4.
4 is the
Ma'am, 4.
divisor.
Ma'am.
Look, the question is divide 24 by
By 4.
this is known as dividend.
Ma'am, we will give 6 pieces of chocolate each.
Yes, yes.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6.
Dividend. Tell me what is 24. Tell me what is 24.
Dividend.
Dividend. Dividend.
What about 4? What is it?
Divisor.
Ma'am, divisor.
Divisor. Now, what am I doing? I am dividing this. Have you done fractions? Always put dividend
Yes,
inside
Yes,
the
ma'am.
box. Always put
Yes,
divisor
ma'am.
outside the box. Now, when does 24 comes in 4's table? Tell me. When does 24 comes in 4's
Ma'am,
table?
4
4
6
6
are
are
24.
4
I
6
am
are
writing
24.
4 6 are 24. Yeah.
Minus 0.
Yeah, I am doing it, but I am doing it. Look. So this part, look, this is, I'm using another color. I'll show you. This part is what? Sorry, this part is called what? Tell me, this part is called?
Divisor. Divisor.
What is
Divisor.
this part?
Divisor.
Dividend. Dividend.
Dividend. Dividend.
What is this
Dividend.
called then? What is this called?
Ma'am, question.
Quotient. Very good.
Question.
Question.
And how about this?
Remainder.
Yes. Who said that? Remainder. Very good.
Ma'am, Hina.
Remainder.
टीचर कैसे हूँ लखू
Okay.
रिवाइज
Chalo. Is that clear to everyone? So
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
divide 24 chocolate pieces amongst the 4 people,
Ma'am.
each will get how many? Each will get how many?
Six.
The
Six.
quotient
Six.
is your
Six.
answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go to the another one. Amongst the 6 people. 6 people.
Ma'am, can I have to write in book?
Yes, yes, Abdullah, you have to write in a book. Please write it. Start writing it. Start writing it.
Ma'am, we have to copy from the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Wait. divided for I'm there.
Should we go on next to the next question? 6 people.
No, ma'am, right.
Okay, write fast.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, good. I'll just make whiteboard visible. Whiteboard is visible to everyone? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is you need to divide.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
now what was the third one I forgot?
Yeah, can you be loud, beta?
Now what was the third people one?
It was third one, na? So 24 pieces of chocolate divided between 6 people.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me, then
So
I'll
say
stand.
question.
Ma'am, can you tell what was the third one?
Who is asking the question first? Will you tell me your name?
Ma'am, Inda.
Wait.
Ma'am, what is
Wait. Hamza, right? Let me first find you. Yeah, Hamza, tell me. Yeah, Hamza, tell
Ma'am,
me.
Inda. Ma'am, Inda.
Then
Afan, is that you?
ma'am, what is this?
Inda is me.
no Hinda.
Okay, Hinda. Yeah, Hinda, tell me.
Can you tell me the third people one?
Hinda, can you just type it? What are you saying? Actually, I'm unable to understand what
Ma'am,
you
she's asking the third
Ma'am.
question. Third question.
Third question. Okay, wait. This 6 people? 6 people?
No, ma'am. I'm
Then?
asking about third three people.
Which one?
3 people, ma'am. She's telling about that 24 divided by 3.
Okay, so she wants to know how it is done.
Yeah.
Okay. Basically, she wants an explanation. Okay. Look. Hinda, look over here. You know now from where we got 24? You got understood from where we got 24? Tell me from where we got 24?
Yes, ma'am. From the chocolate, there are 24 pieces.
Yes, very good. Very nice. Now, we have to divide this 24 pieces of chocolate amongst how many people? Tell me amongst how many people? 3.
Ma'am, can you do the 6 people?
Can you be what?
Do 6 people one.
Who is saying now? Yeah?
Ma'am, there were 7.
Yeah. Hinda, please
Ma'am,
concentrate
what
over here.
is this?
Yeah. So,
Ma'am, the answer is 7.
no, it's wrong. Wrong 7. Hinda, what is the dividend over here? Tell me. What is the dividend?
4.
Good. You need to write it inside the box. And what is divisor over here?
Ma'am, 3.
Good. You need to write it outside. Now you need to check when does 24 comes in 3's table. 3 into what is 24?
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 3 to the 24.
No.
Ma'am, 3 7 are 24.
No.
Ma'am,
3
3
7 is
7 are
24.
24.
3 sevens
Three
is
eights are
21.
24.
3 8s are
Is it?
24.
3
3
eights
8s
are
are
24.
24.
24, ma'am.
8 pieces of chocolate each.
3 eights are 24. So you'll write 8 over here. Okay, Hinda? Hinda, you.
Ma'am, wait a second. I'll copy this. I'll copy this.
Yeah. So you'll write it here 24 again because that is totally divisible in 3's table. So your answer is what? This is your answer. Each 3 people will get how many chocolate chunks? How many chocolate pieces?
8.
Hinda, are you understanding?
8 pieces.
How many they will get?
Yes, ma'am.
8. How many? Okay, tell me what is
8, ma'am.
quotient over here? What is quotient over here? Tell me that.
Ma'am, 24. Ma'am, 8.
8. That is your answer. Quotient is always your answer. Is that clear?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Like here I can write it. 3 people will get how much? I am unable to annotate. Okay. Done?
Who fell down the tree?
That. Please everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. It chalo. So you need to write over here.
Okay,
Answer
24
for this.
divided by 3.
Wait.
No. 8. The answer is 8, ma'am.
Yes.
I was asking about the third question.
3 people will get 8 chunks.
8.
Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
And over here, what will I write? Here.
Where, ma'am?
Here. 4 people will get
4 people
Get how
will
many?
get
Tell
6
me.
chunks. 6 chunks of chocolate. Chocolate.
Fine. Chalo. Next
Yes,
is amongst the 6 people. Should I erase this? Should I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please do it fast. We have to complete this and we have to go to the another part. Chalo, tell me when you are done, okay?
Ma'am, when did you do that 6 one? You didn't did that 6 people one.
500.
Ma'am,
521.
ma'am. Then
521.
ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I'm saying that where you didn't wrote the 6 people, 8 people, 12 and 24.
Then 0.7.
Ma'am,
Which question are you asking about? Third question in the.
no, yes, and 4th, 5th, 6th.
Okay, so which one was it? I think I'll go in the maths textbook and see.
Is like 2 numbers.
Hina,
Yes.
do you have your textbook?
19
Yes.
21,000.
What is the third question?
Third
6
question.
people.
Yes,
People.
6 people now. Okay. In that is 6 people. So 3 pieces of
I'm
chocolate
done.
for each. इधर लो
Okay. Should we?
Ma'am,
मारने वाले हैं।
ma'am,
Now with how many people we have to share? 6 people, right?
Six.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Please clear this. And
Ma'am, 3 pieces of chocolate each.
yes, 24 divided by. Now what would be the divisor? Tell me. Now what would be the divisor?
5.
Keeps changing. No.
Ma'am,
How
Ma'am,
many
3,
people are
3.
there?
Ma'am,
How
3,
many?
3, 3, 3.
6.
Three.
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, I'm going to do with 5.
Okay, I'll put here 6, divisor here, dividend here. When does 24 comes in 6 table? Tell me.
Ma'am, did
Ma'am,
we
6
did
4
with
the 24.
5?
6 4 the
Tell
24.
me
for the
when does
24.
24 comes in 6 table?
6 4 the 24.
Yes, 6 4s are 24.
ma'am, I also.
So what is the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am,
How
4,
many
4.
chunks?
4.
4 people will get, sorry, 6 people will get how many?
Ma'am, 3 pieces each.
How 3? What is your quotient?
4.
What is your quotient?
Oh, sorry, sorry.
Ma'am, four.
Done? Write this.
Ma'am, mute everyone.
Ma'am, ma'am, how will we write so long?
Done? Should we go to next question?
Ma'am, how will we write so long?
How did we? I have already.
No, ma'am.
written here.
No.
I have already written, beta. You have to write it in your notebook. Like you have to mention this is the, what is the question number over here? You can write it here.
The question
5C.
is for
5C, na it was. Part was. Question number 1. In 1, we are on which part? 1, 2, 3. Third part. So just make it C. First ka C. It's like that. Can you see the screen? The textbook?
Know the answer.
Yeah. First questions. The first question's third. Now let's go to the another one.
and we can only see the whiteboard.
D1. What is the question?
Ma'am, is this 8?
Which reader?
Ma'am, 8.
8.
Ma'am, 24
people.
Should I
divided
do
by
it or
8.
you'll do it? Take it as a homework. 8, 12, 24. Can you do it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have only 3 numbers, na? 8, 12, 24.
8, 12 and 24. So you need to check when does 24 comes in 8 table, when does 24 comes in 12 table, when does 24 comes in 24 table. You need to check that.
Ma'am, I already
Okay, good. Who all have it done? Who all have done it?
Ma'am, I am done.
Great, great. So should I go ahead? Should I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Abdullah? Abada?
ma'am.
No, I should not. Afan, are you doing it, Afan?
No, finished.
Why you are not doing it? Why? What is the reason?
I have finished.
Okay, Ubada, how about you? Are you
Ma'am,
doing it? Okay, should we start? Do you want me to do for
Ma'am,
12
I'm
and 20
writing.
people? Do you want me to do this?
yes, ma'am, it's fun.
Okay, I'll do the last one, 24. Okay, I'll do that. We need to divide. We need to divide 24 chunks of chocolate amongst the 24 people. So how many each
Ma'am,
will
one
get?
piece each. It is so easy.
Exactly. One will get. And how would you do in
Yes,
terms
ma'am.
of division? How would you do in terms of division? You need to express it, right? Yes.
Yes,
What is the here the divider and dividend and divisor both are 24. All of you agree?
24.
All of you agree? Yes. Now when does 24 comes in 24 table?
yes,
One.
Yes.
one, ma'am.
What happens? 0.
Zero.
Answer?
0.
Quotient. No, that is remainder is never your answer. Quotient is your answer.
Yes, ma'am. One.
24 people will get
One each.
One chunks of
24
chocolate
people
each.
will get
One chunk of chocolate.
one chunk of chocolate. Is it fine? Now I'll write chocolate, not chocolate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Okay,
Chalo,
ma'am.
we'll go to next question. Want to write this?
Ma'am, 8 and 12 years, the homework na.
Yeah, that is homework. You do it. Okay? Chalo, now we will start with the next part. My screen is visible to everyone. Not the whiteboard, but the
No,
textbook.
ma'am.
Textbook. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Wait.
No, ma'am.
Wait. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Now, 5 people can have 4 chunks each. There are 4 left over. Okay, I'll explain you this. Did not worry.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
I'm not done.
Abdullah, do it fast, beta.
Yes.
I have already cleared that whiteboard. So now who will tell me how we have to do this? Abdullah, you keep going on. I'll just do a rough explanation. 7 people. Here, okay. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between these type of people and this type of people? The numbers of these people and numbers of these people. Like here it was 24, 12.
Ma'am, 24 is a greater number than 7.
No,
7, 9, 10,
7, 9,
11.
10, 11. So what is the like, what kind of numbers they have picked for the previous question and what kind of numbers they've picked over here? Anyone?
Ma'am, they have picked greater numbers, ma'am, in the first section.
Okay. Well, any other answer? Any other answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they
Yeah.
are odd. This is
Very
odd.
good. Who said that? Who said that?
Ma'am, Inda also. Ma'am,
Who said?
Inda.
Whoever answered this,
Ma'am, he
Oh.
that
moving.
person is absolutely
Yeah,
correct.
ma'am.
If you see, they asked you to divide 24 chunks of chocolate amongst 12 people, among 6 people, among 8 people, right? So that was even number.
Look,
The
Inda
number of
also
people was even
the
12,
answer.
24, 8, 4, 2. Now here, the number of people is how much? What is it? 9, 7. No. It is not. 10 is also even. No. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, we will see.
Ma'am,
No, it has nothing to do with even and odd. I'm so sorry. It has nothing to do with even and odd because already a 10 is there. 10 is an even number. And over there, if you see, 3 was there. So 3 was odd number. So no. Let me see what is the difference. I'll tell you what is the difference. 7, na? I'll take a whiteboard first. Share. Okay. Are you aware of divisibility rules?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just clear this. We need to divide 24 chunks of chocolate among 7 people. Okay. Now here the problem is in all the previous questions, the divisor, whatever divisor we were getting it, we were dealing with, they all were having 24 in that table. Now you tell me, does 7 comes in 24 table? Sorry,
No.
does 24 comes in 7's table? You tell me this.
No, ma'am.
No.
So what we will do here? I'll write a divisor as it is, whatever is the pattern, whatever is the rule.
Which number is
Now what you will do?
Okay, 177.
I am pretty sure 24 doesn't come in 7th standard.
ma'am?
So-
Which number
Ma'am.
is nearby
ma'am.
from
Exactly.
24?
Exactly.
And closest
You
to
need to check out,
24 is
you need-
21.
You need to check out a number which is less than 24 and nearby to 24
21.
comes in 17.
21, ma'am.
21.
That number?
21.
Which is that number?
7 3s are 21.
3,
7
7
3s are
3s are
21.
Radha, which is
21.
that number?
7 3 is
Less than
21.
24 and
3s are
comes in
21.
7 table.
7 3s are 21.
Yes. Why we haven't taken 7? Wait, 7 3s are 7 4s are 7 5s are. Let me take 28. Why we haven't taken 7 4s are 28? Can anyone tell me? Why 21? Why not
But we
28?
have to take the
Smaller
less
number. And why not 15? Why not 18? Not 18, sorry.
Because they are too much small.
Yeah.
Because they are
Why,
not closest to
why not
24.
14?
We need the
Why not
number
14?
closest.
So
7
that's
2s are 14. Even that is smaller by 24. Why only 21?
but they have to
Nearby. Be
Because ma'am,
they are
21 is
closer.
the
Closer,
only closest number to 24.
Yes.
The nearby.
So I will write here 3. 7 3s is how much? I won't write 24 now. Whatever is the multiple, I'll write that only 21. So when you subtract this, you'll get what? 3.
3.
So 7
Three.
people. Now look here. Look. What am I doing? What am I writing? How many? 7 will get how many chunks of chocolate? 7 people will get. 7 people will get
Ma'am, 3.
Tell
3,
me.
ma'am.
3.
3, ma'am.
3 chunks of chocolate, right? And how much is the leftover? This is your leftover. Remainder is your leftover. 3 is already remaining. Look, 3 is what? Already remaining with 3 leftover. Have you understood?
Yes.
Have you understood what I have done? Look. Kids, are you there?
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
understood.
Let's take one more example. We'll do this 9 people. Means 24 divided by 9. 24 divided by 9.
Okay, 24 divided by 9.
Divisor 24.
9 are
Tell me, when does 24 comes? Oh, 24 is not divisible by 9. That is
Yes.
100%.
And the closest number to
check the
24 is
closest
18,
number
ma'am.
less
18.
than a 24, a number less than 24 and closer to 24 and divisible by 9 comes in 9's table.
Ma'am,
9
18,
ones are
18,
9,
ma'am.
9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. 27 is bigger than 24. So I will go for what? 9 twos are, tell me.
18, 18,
Yes.
18, 18.
Ma'am. 18, ma'am.
Yes.
9.
9 twos are, I'll write 2 over here and 18 over here. Subtract
18,
this.
ma'am.
Yes, subtract this. Carry 1. Borrow it from 10. 14 minus 8 is 6. 0. So, what is the leftover? Can anyone tell me? How many
Ma'am,
chocolates? 9 each. 9 people will get how many chunks of chocolate?
Ma'am, 2, 2.
Yes. And how much I'm left with?
2.
How much I'm left?
Ma'am, 6 left over.
Yes, 6 left over. Okay. Is it fine? Everyone understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Write this
ma'am.
statement. Please write this statement. Everyone. Now what you write? 9 people will get 2 chunks of chocolate with 6 left.
I cannot see.
Why? It is quite visible.
Ma'am, 9 people will get
You have to write 9 people will get 2 chunks of chocolate with 6 left.
just 2 chunks of chocolate and 6 left over.
Okay.
Ma'am, 9 people will get
Yeah, someone is saying something. Tell me.
Ma'am, what were you saying? Nine people will get.
I am writing it.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Chunks of chocolate.
No problem, Abdullah. Rest, everyone can see my board, whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can you write it?
Ma'am, 9 people will
Yeah.
get 2 chunks of chocolate.
Okay. So I'll stop here. Next 2 questions also you can do it by yourself. Tomorrow again we are meeting Newton and Armstrong together. I'll be taking your maths. So I'll teach you
Ma'am.
further. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow 12.
Ma'am, I didn't write a chunk, ma'am, because a chunk is a really huge piece, ma'am. So it
Ma'am,
wouldn't make sense to write piece.
Yeah, okay. You can write piece.
Where did Sabam go?
Want I'll change it.
Yeah.
Is it fine, Bilal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
want he is telling don't write chunk. Piece is better. Like okay.
Ma'am,
No
you
issues.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I'm saying that where is Sabam go?
When is?
Sabam where did she go?
What can you be clear?
Ma'am, did Sabam got free?
Which? Just text chat. I'm like, just text me now.
Ma'am, I said that where did Sabam go? He said where is Shamana ma'am go?
Shabana ma'am, okay. They went for camping, na beta. The students went for camping. Today the camping will start.
Sabiha.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Today and tomorrow. The camp is meant for 2 days. School camp. Okay. Chalo. Now should I stop? Tomorrow we will continue further with the next questions. Okay. Chalo. Bye till then. Bye. Take care everyone. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.